today we're going to be making some salmon bites, and they're going to be really good and they're really easy. Some people say salmon, salmon, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to start out with cutting up the salmon bites and adding some Old Bay and some pepper and salt. Look at my cute little shakers right there. So you just want to make sure you get some and you chop them up really good and you wash them, and then you want to add some mustard, okay? Bear with me, I know this sounds weird, but you want to add mustard. And then you want to get your flour mixture together. Get some flour and add all your favorite seasonings: garlic powder, salt, pepper, Old Bay, parsley, whatever your heart desires. If you want to make it Cajun, add some Cajun seasoning. So then you just want to go ahead and put the salmon bites in the bowl and get your grease hot while you do that. So you want to turn your grease up to medium high. Then you want to go ahead and get your salmon bites frying. You want to fry them until they're golden brown on each side. You want to do a few batches because you want to give them space to fry. So you don't want to like squish them up together too much when you're doing it. And you just let them fry really nicely. And this does take some time, so just have some patience. So you just want to make sure you flip them over, and look, they're nice and crispy. They look like chicken nuggets a little bit, or like, you know, some kind of chicken tender that was fried, but they're really, really, really nice and crispy, and they look really good. You just want to get that excess grease off and go ahead and place them on a napkin, which is on a plate, so you can drain all the grease off. And then you want to repeat this again once you finish adding all the salmon bites to the grease and you fry them. So right here, I'm just taking the salmon bites out. I don't really have to explain that. So, you know, just take them out, and then you might have to add a little bit more grease and wait for it to get hot again when you add your second batch, because sometimes the breading just like makes the grease cool down. But yeah, I found a little Tupperware and just put the napkin in there and let the grease drain off, and then you get your sauce together. So I'm doing like a glazed honey jerk glaze sauce. So you want to add some your favorite jerk spices, jerk seasonings. You got a little bit of soy sauce, add some honey, add some parsley, lemon juice, lime juice, whatever you have, and then just toss them salmon bites up in there. Just toss them up and throw them in there. Add some brown sugar, whatever you want, like to make your own sauce. But this is a honey jerk sauce, and it's really good. You can add some peppers, whatever you like. Throw them in there, and then you're going to just toss it around in a pan. Toss it. You don't want to put too much sauce at once, because then you're like take away from the crispiness. So you just want to go ahead and just toss it around slowly, and then slowly add some more sauce as you go. So then it'll be nice and coated. See, I'm adding more sauce slowly. You just don't want to dump it in there. This will make it all soggy, and that defeats the purpose of frying it, okay? Who wants soggy fried salmon bites? Ooh, look at that. So just take a good look at this. It looks so delicious. Look at the glazed sauce, y'all. It looks so good. Like, you won't be disappointed when you make this. And I made this for my family, and they loved it. So I suggest everyone try this out. It's fast and easy. The sauce was really easy, so I just suggest everybody try this out, and check me out. I'm on Instagram, Cooking with Mercedes. And yeah, let me know what you think of this recipe. And if you have any questions, just let me know. And thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more. Have a good day.